everybody, welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. We're back at Disneyland. Today is merch search day.
Basically, so we're gonna do a merch search. There's a ton of new merchandise.
There is.
All throughout the parks. So what we thought we would do is we would hit up Main Street and go to about like 3 different stores. We're gonna keep this short and sweet so that we can get in there because we have so much to show you.
Let's go.
So the first store we're starting off at is the China Closet on Main Street, right next to where you can develop your photos. But this is where I live my best mug life. You find a lot of like kitchenware and stuff. This is a Starbucks tumbler. It came out a little while ago, but it's super cute. This is my favorite little goat from Small World, Tink. But it's super cute.
How much?
I don't know. It doesn't have a price on it.
$24.99.
$24.99.
There it is.
And then they have the Christmas one still, and then this one that came out about a year ago. So you got a couple as well as your ornaments.
Tons of mugs all over the place.
And a lot of new ones too.
A lot of new ones, as well as this partner statue one. That's cool. It's embedded in there. It's neat.
And it's pretty thick, like plated. It's only $19.99. I kind of was expecting it to be a little more expensive. And on the back it says a Disney quote. It was all started by a mouse.
Oh yeah, very cool.
So the collection that we're going to show you today is like Park Life. That's one of the like newest collections.
Did you say Best Life?
Best Life Park Life.
That's right.
But I found the mug is actually in here, so I'm going to show you that mug right now. It's the mug I think that might be the winner of the year.
Oh.
And it's a pretty early call, but I stand by it.
Oh wow.
Here it is. Look at this mug. Is that not the best mug you have ever seen? I love the blue color. I love that you just have all the characters. I love the castle. Just the print of it is so cute. And then you have a little carousel.
Oh, look at that. That's neat.
Like in here you have like the ornaments. So intricate. Like literally there's Guardians. It's so small to see. Like you have DCA.
Yeah.
Disneyland. Like that's awesome. And then this is another one of the ornaments. Check that out. I love that you have over back here the TIE Fighter.
It reminds me of a ship in a bottle. It's a castle in a Mickey ear globe.
Castle and a Mickey.
Yeah.
I really like this. Isn't that cool?
That is neat.
That's so nice to put on your coffee table.
Yeah.
You also have the shot glasses, and then this is great. I'll try and shake her up for you.
Shake it up.
Shake it up. I think that's DCA and Disneyland.
And Mickey.
And Mickey. Towel.
Oh, wow.
Right?
So it's similar to the mug. Yeah, it's all the icons and all the little...
it's all that park life.
Cool.
Living your best park life. All right, so here's the new, with the cherry on top merchandise with Minnie and Mickey. It's like sweet as pie. It's kind of like is it like 50s-ish? I don't know what you call it.
It kind of looks like that, yeah.
But I love the mugs.
The little mug set, right?
Like, is that not the cutest?
Rolling pins, little plates.
Sets of plates. I think this is a set of 4. Yeah, it's back in the day. So it is like back in the day. Oh, that's so adorable.
What are these? Straws?
I think these are straws. Yeah, I think paper straws.
Paper straws?
That's sad. I hate paper
If they were metal, I'd buy those.
Paper straws are the worst because it's like you drink it and then it disintegrates.
Did you know that magic is the secret ingredient, Katie?
Mickey sure knows it.
Well, yeah.
He's like this. And just when you didn't think it could get more adorable, you have a little recipe box with recipe. I don't know if it comes with the recipe cards. I don't think so. Oh, it does.
It does.
No.
There you go.
That's not fair. That ain't right. I want this whole
I like this clock. This classic.
Isn't that so
It reminds
cute?
me of like a 50s diner clock.
Right. That's why I said it kind of is that.
Yeah, it's kind of 50s. And then the Mickey cherries are so cool.
I love his little pie. The pie plates. Oh.
Sweet as pie. And there's the pot holder. Oh, a few different ones, huh?
No, it comes with a set.
Oh, it's a set. Okay.
Leggings. These are fantastic. A little busy, but I mean, if you like your Disneyland, there you go. We also have a Loungefly mini backpack with the Park Life print. So awesome. These are so cute. Although I don't like that sometimes they're upside down. So you have to really find one that has like, you know, the best amount of print for you. We still have the Loungefly Castle backpack. That one's really popular. Everybody seems to really love that one. And over here in honor of Spence, we have the 12 Days of Socks. and all your best Disneyland attractions. I'm really surprised he doesn't own this already. And over here is some of the bronze. I think it's supposed to be like Belle of the Bronze or something like that. Personally, not a fan. I mean, if you like it, more power to you. Not really my thing. I just, I don't know. I don't know. But there you go. The hat is a little funky too, but I do like this shirt though in the bronze. I think that's cute. That's totally doable. It's nice and flowy. I actually might get this for myself. I do like that top. Another thing that's really popular is the red mini Loungefly backpack. We have the red ears too, but this backpack seems to be extremely popular. Everybody's loving these. It's very pretty. The red is gorgeous. And just released today is the Park Life Dooney and Burke. Look how cute these are. The color is almost like a magenta, like a pink for the background, which personally I would have loved it if it was like a black or a gray. This is the annual pass holder, as you can see. And then we have this style right here. Now remember, every print is different on the purses. Big tote back there. I do love the tote.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Very, very cute. All right, playing Frogger and crossing the street. We're gonna head over into the Fortuosity. Hey, how do you say that? Fortuosity?
Yeah, I would say Fortuosity, yeah.
Fortuosity. We're gonna go into the Fortuosity shop. So Charlie and I came in here a few days ago, or I don't know, maybe like last week. So we're not gonna go too in depth on this. This is what Charlie picked out that he's gonna be wearing.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
You like it? He bought that for himself.
Maybe some glow sticks for
Okay, okay. So as I was showing you the red Loungefly backpack, we also have the mini one. I think that's cute. I actually like it better than the, I guess this is the super mini. But yeah, this is just cute. Cute little thing. And I like it because you can hook it onto your belt and kind of rock it like that. It'd be really cute, like a little satchel type thing too, like a crossbody satchel. And of course, this is where you can get most of like the throwback stuff, throwback clothing and everything. I think this is the coolest thing that they came out with is the video cassette tape. Look at that, and it's a phone case. How cool is that? Right now we got Little Mermaid and Lion King. I just think that's fantastic. I actually might save up for that because that's pretty great. I really like this top. That's pretty cool. Wow. Can somebody hold that up for me? Woo! I wish that had sleeves on it and I might buy it. But it has Aristocats, Lady and the Tramp, Alice in Wonderland. Very cool. This is another one kind of like that. It's a crop top though, so that again, that's not really Katie friendly. But that's cool. Bambi and Sleeping Beauty. And we're just heading into the Emporium, and this little like toy section we always say is one of the best places. It basically looks like the nursery from Peter Pan. I think that's what it is. I do see Peter right up there, but it has all of these like Disney characters in it, and then the snow. What the heck? Chewie, how did this happen?
What happened?
Chewie!
You're acting like this is something new.
Chewie, hey!
Hey, thank you, yeah. He says morning. No, that's a negatory.
Uh-oh.
Negatory.
I think we gotta just let the Wookiee win here. There goes the train! So whenever you come in here, make sure you look up. Characters on it?
Yeah. Okay, Park Life Wishables. Look.
Yep.
Oh!
So these are like the new ones. This one you could just buy the castle, but then you could get like Tree of Life, you could get Epcot, Tower of Terror.
Is that a mystery
Yeah,
thing?
It's basically a blind bag. It could be one of these two, or one of these, the Fun Wheel. Yeah, so these are really cool. Like everybody, Disney fans seem to really love like blind bags.
Don't you wish you were able to buy some of this stuff?
I see what you did there. Thank you very little.
Hey, thank you very little. Stay tuned.
We also got some other keychains here in the Emporium. A lot of these light up.
That's cool.
This one lights up too. I think so does the Mickey. I just don't know how. Yeah, it is. You have to kind of whack it.
Oh yeah, look at
I was
that.
afraid to do that. The castle is cool too.
Oh, let's see the castle.
Let's see what the oh. And it's not heavy. It's
Plastic.
I want this. How much is teal? How much is teal, everyone? I'll look later, but I really like this. That's a winner.
High four, Charlie. High four, Katie.
So we also found some more keychains.
Ah.
These are keychain sets though.
Okay.
I have to say these are awesome. I guess you would like know because you'd have a little, oh, look how cute this is. It's a little teacup.
Oh.
And like this one has the Mad Hatter hat with it. So they all have a little hat with it.
So you change it up, is that what it is? Like
yeah, like you would put this like maybe on your car key, maybe one on your house key.
Got it.
You know, so you can separate it. That's really cute. And they're all like $16.99. That's a great little set to get. This is another one. It's all the, look at that. It's a bunch of,
little mini heads.
yeah, with their different colored bows.
Cool.
That's great. So we found more of the Park Life merch. I'm thinking that the leggings that I saw over in Clothier's, I thought those were the Park Life ones.
Yeah.
But they're not. I think these are the Park Life leggings.
Okay.
So they're pretty busy. They're really soft.
Yeah.
I love this. This is a nice little pullover, kind of like long sleeve shirt.
Yeah.
It's not really sweater material, but it's really cute. I love the embellishment on the,
Oh yeah.
isn't that nice? And this is $39.99. This is the hat that I'm eventually going to get for $27.99. And then you have the Mickey and Minnie in the teacup.
Yeah.
That's really cute. I love the color of this one. And here's the Park Life Mini.
Oh.
Look at her cotton candy.
Yum.
I love that. And you have an autograph book.
Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube. Cute little, here's a little kid.
I think those should fit me.
Leggings. Oh yeah. Perfectly your size.
Yeah.
And then here's the cute little shirt. I really want to get this for Kaylee. This is a really cool Park Life button-up shirt. I love that one. How much are these? This one's $59. That's not too bad for that.
Is it a Bahama or is it just?
No, it's a regular.
Oh yeah.
It is Mickey approved.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, no.
You gotta buy both of them. You have to buy the Mickey
You
and
have
the
to
shirt.
buy the
Yeah.
set.
Yeah.
You have to buy the set.
I think these are one of the greatest things to have.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to get one of these, and this is the Cinch Bag. Even though,
Cinch life.
Cinch Life. But these are really great to have because if you don't want to take a giant backpack,
Yeah.
you can just take your little Cinch Bag, and they're only $20 before your discount. More Park Life merch for kids. This is a cute little pullover.
Okay.
I actually really approve of this.
Yeah.
And then this is really cute. It's a little notepad, and it's on a little clipboard.
Oh.
Isn't that cute with the print?
Yeah.
What is that? $14.99. Oh, look, it's even on the back too.
Oh, cool.
And it's a magnet. You could put it on your fridge.
All right.
That's great. Cool little reminder thing. I love this jacket. Park Life jacket.
Yeah.
The icons going down.
Oh yeah.
But then just when you think it doesn't get any better, you got the hood
Oh, I like that.
and the back. This is the best shirt ever created. Do you like that shirt?
It's a little busy for me.
A little busy for, yeah, you like very simple, but I love it. And I think it's $24.99.
Yeah.
That's not bad. And over here we have a water bottle holder. I really love this. And it has like a crossbody strap so you can like carry it with you, and it should keep your drink nice and cold. And over here, if you watched one of our latest videos, we found these over in Candy Palace. These are the Park Life chocolate bars, the chocolate bar set. It's another great shirt. That's actually really nice. I love this. I would definitely get that for myself. I wish that came in like a women's cut. But luckily for the women's tees, we have this really nice ringer. The color I'm not the biggest fan of, but it's super cute, very whimsical. The art for this collection is just fantastic. Look at little Chippendale down there. This is such a cute t-shirt. This is $36.99, by the way. Now, if you're not into like cinch bags, I think this would be a great option. It's obviously a little more expensive, but it's a really nice crossbody, and you can see it kind of comes off the, there you go. You can kind of see how it kind of comes off the bag, but this is like water resistant, I'm pretty sure, just by the texture of it. And oh my gosh, I didn't even see this. Look at Minnie on the back. How cute is that? Let's see how much it actually costs. Doo-doo-doo. $29.99. That's actually not bad considering, you know, you could just get that instead of a cinch bag. I love that. Over here on Ye Ol' Wall of Spirit jerseys, you got the, would you say that's like retro, Charlie? I don't know what that is. I don't know.
It's almost like a callback to 90s maybe.
Yeah, like
that,
80s, 90s,
what
something.
Was that show with all the kids in school?
Oh, Saved by the Bell?
That's it.
Yeah, it's Saved by the Belly. A little bit. Definitely. You got Mickey and Minnie. I mean, those are cute. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a really big Disneyland across the back.
Not too shabby, man.
That's not bad. Those are pretty cool. Then we have Buzz and Woody over there. Those are pretty cool. Bronze one I showed you in Clothiers. And there's some of the classics. A lot of people are always asking, like, where can we just get the classic ones that originally came out, like just plain black? Come over to the Emporium, and this is where you'll find it. Also, a lot of people looking for this one as well. We also have a ton of Frozen merch over here. Frozen 2. Well, Frozen and Frozen 2. Over here in the Emporium. Look at all of that. Oh, I guess it is just Frozen 2, but I mean, call it what it is. This is basically where Kaylee, my niece, would just go wild. She would love all of this. I love that snow globe of Elsa. This is a cool looking play set. Check that out. There's so much. My niece also collects these soft dolls. She loves to sleep with those. Look at all of that. Just a whole display of Frozen 2 merchandise right here.
See ya, monorail. Whoop whoop.
That's Life and Beyond. Well, that wrapped it up. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick little merch search. We tried to keep it as fast as possible.
Yeah, just a hose down, as we say.
Just quick so we could get more in.
Yeah.
If you like this video, let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel.
Right, notifications as well, so you know when we go live and when we drop new videos.
And if you want to support Best Life and Beyond, you can become one of our Patreon members. I'll put all that information in the description box right there below.
We will. Bye, Pixar Charlie. Where is he? There he is.
Charlie.
See ya.
See ya, and we'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.